Okay, welcome back to my channel, Video Woodturning. I received that at the post. It's Neewer send me that. It's the new NL 960 video and photography lamp, LED lamp. I'm gonna install that. It's gonna be my new setup light. Let's see what do you have. Okay, LED video light. Oh, nice. This is for the battery, I think. I don't have the battery yet. You can change the color to yellow to white, more white, low light. Okay. Oh yeah. I think it's gonna be more bright. Yeah. Okay. There. The head for the tripod. Look. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Pretty tight. The power supply. The rest of the power supply. Oh yeah, traveling bag. That's good. Okay, how about this light? The plastic like that, it's the diffuser. I got the adapter, the power adapter, the manual, and the carrying case with that. Perfect for video shooting, wedding photography, portrait videography, more creativity photography application. Okay, for the controlling. Right there. Like that. I got warm color. Okay, warm color, more warm. Cold color, yellow. This is the power indicator, power jack, and the battery component right there. I'm gonna mount this. Loose that. Okay. Okay. That's super steady. Good. Okay. The adjustment for the brightness of warm color and white color. Okay, let's try this baby. I think it's gonna be super bright now. Check this out. Big thank you to Neewer. I don't know if I'm pronouncing good, but Neewer. Thanks a lot. We gotta pull that. Pull that side of Okay. On. Yeah, that is super bright. That's worked great. We're gonna test more. More yellow. White. More yellow. Super good. Super good project. I use all of Neewer project for my videography. All my studio is Neewer. I don't have anything bad about this company. Super great. I'm going to put that on the side for a moment. I buy another thing with the light. It's again from Neewer. God damn. It's more big than I think it is. I don't know if you see it. Okay, this is a tripod wall mount for my light. I think this is the for the wall. Be sure the light don't fall off in my head when I'm turning. You see? Put that on the wall and I can lower, higher my light. This is only 60 bucks on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description for all of you who want to go put a new setup of light in your video. I think it's gonna be better. More lighter, more better. Okay, let's mount this on the wall. That is very better. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Control. Only white with a little bit of warmer. I don't think it's hot. I'm gonna put the diffuser. Okay, all the light is super good. I'm going to show you. We lose that. With here I have my control for my white and my yellow. If you see, can put some more yellow for warm color, more white, more dark, more bright. 360 head round valve to swivel all around. And okay, with my wall mount I can swivel right to left. This is the Neewer model NL 1320. It's for 1320 light, LED light here. I got the 360 ball head holder to swivel. The dimmer for the warm and the cold. I explained that before. Warmer. The size of the light is 17.79 inches by 7. The light is dimmable, B color, 1320 LED. Color temperature goes to 3200 to 6600 K. The lumen is 2829 lux. The voltage is DC 12 by 15 volts. You can also put on 250. Extremely lightweight. It's about 2 kilograms. So you can put everywhere. I want to say a big thank you to Neewer to send me that light, and it's so much thank you. It's perfect, it worked great, the light is super bright. I'm going to see all my detail. Thank you very much.